Okay. Now let's get this open. I'm on Chicken Man server right now, playing with apparently Crystal Mama left, but Awesome Dude, Blue Dragon, Dark Dargon, and Ricochet, Skittles, and everyone else. Sorry for the lag. Wait, what? I totally typed what, and it put a question mark. Too laggy. Okay, that's good enough. Okay, I'm going to disconnect. I need to go on my server quick, see if it's laggy here. Where am I? Oh, okay. Not laggy on here, but let's see. Chicken Man server is... okay. I'm back. Apparently no one missed me. Okay, let's see. Maybe he's AFK. Lagging. Okay, well, apparently no one cares that they're going to be on YouTube, so I guess I'm gonna stop it. Okay, my first video, yay!